Hello LinkedIn World, welcome to our new office. This place is beautiful and it's the old shoe factory, but there's just one thing that's kind of wrong with it at the moment, so let me show you. This old thing. She's a bit old now, and more importantly, she's outdated. So currently when our clients come to the office, they push this thing, bang, 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 and the whole top of the floor alarm goes off, and everyone stands up, looks at each other awkwardly. Who's here to visit us? No one's sure who it is, and no one's sure who they're here to see and what they're here for. So by all means, we've tried to make a better solution with this with a Google Assistant and create a more personable one-on-one experience, so we know who's coming, what they're coming for, and when they're going to be here. So let me take you inside and I'll get Jonathan to show you a little bit more of how that works.
Hey guys, I'm Jonathan, a developer at Mate. I'm here to give you a little demo of our concierge named Connie George. So say for example, I have a friend named Robert, he's here to have lunch with me. He'll walk up to our Google Home like so and say, "Hey Google, talk to Connie George."
Sure, getting the test version of Connie George. Who are you here to see?
Jonathan.
Sure, what was your name?
Robert.
Sure, what would you like to see Jonathan about?
Lunch.
Were you after Jonathan Puck or Jonathan Wazowski?
Jonathan Puck.
Okay, Robert, I'll let Jonathan Puck know you're here. Got time for a joke while you wait?
Goodbye.
Cool, so now that you've seen a little bit more about what our virtual assistant / digital concierge can do, I'll sort of let Jonathan elaborate a little bit more around some of the tools he used and sort of how simple these sort of virtual assistants can be to set up.
So the beauty of it was only two tools we used, something called Dialogflow, which is a natural language processing service. Basically this is where all the magic happens, the conversational flow. When you kind of want to integrate your own logic or API, for example, like we've done so with Slack, you'll use a Google Cloud function, which is offered by the whole Google Cloud platform ecosystem. Basically that's where all the logic happens, and you can kind of integrate APIs such as Slack, and then it'll handle all the logic and spit back our response, and then out comes the response through your Google Home.
Beautiful. So it seems pretty straightforward. Seems like there's only a few tools needed. How long did it take you to develop this, you think?
2 days.
2 days. So
yeah.
Within 2 days you can have a virtual assistant, digital concierge up and running for your business. I mean, this could be quite handy if you were co-working space or something similar where the reception task was merely only to notify people about when someone was here to meet them, having lunch, setting up meetings, booking in calls, schedules, whatever it needs. It's a pretty simple function, and I mean, it all does it itself within 2 days, and for about $30 for the mini or about up to $90 for the bigger HomePod, you can have one yourself. I mean, we already know how to use Slack, it's pretty straightforward, and then you have a few brains like Jonathan and you string a few APIs together, and there you go, you've got yourself a Connie George. So by all means, if you're looking to set one of these up yourself, get in touch with myself or Jonathan, and we'll be more than happy to show you how to set one up. I mean, so thank you.
Thank you.